Hello. Today we are continuing our training videos for EzCoin. Today's video will be geared for our new customers. We will be showing you how to make your first entry and how to run your first report in EzCoin. I will be working with the US and Canada 2018 databases. Let's start with the US. So first we will clear the screen so we can make our new entries. You can do that by holding down the control key and then hitting the eraser icon. Or if you prefer, you can set an option in preferences which will mimic the version 1 behavior, which clears the screen with just a left click. So now that we have a clean screen, we're going to look up our first coin. Today I will be inventorying for demonstration a 1945 mercury dime. So first, let's select the denomination. So we'll select 10 cents. And then for the year, we can either pick it from the list or we just type it in. In my case, it's 1945, and we hit enter. What that will do is it will bring up the coin lookup list for the matching entries. In our case, there was 4. If there was only one matching coin that matched the criteria that we entered, it would have been immediately entered on the main screen ready for you to go. So in my case, I have a 1945 Mercury D dime. So I'm going to double click on this row here, which is the one that I have, the D mint mark, and it'll bring it up on the main screen, and then we can just close the coin lookup list and we're ready to inventory. So my coin has a grade of MS63, so I'm going to select it from the list here, which is highlighted in blue. And then you can click the blue check mark to save it. You can also enter things like your value if you want to override the value that we supply. If you have more than one coin, you could change the quantity here. You can also indicate whether it was graded by a particular company or any comments that you have, or even location. So I'm just going to simply enter it right now by clicking the blue check mark, and you'll notice that a green check mark has been placed up at the denomination to indicate that you have inventoried this coin. Notice how it's gone up to the very top. In EzCoin, when you enter a coin, they pop up to the top of the grade list. Now, if you want to enter additional details about your coin, as I mentioned, like who it was graded by or the location and purchase prices, we can do that. Let's enter some grading information. So first we select the grade, then we will right click on the on that grade and click on Edit Selected, and then you can select from the list of companies that we provide. You can also add your own, and it will just remember what you've done. In my case, this is a PCGS coin, and the location, I have it in one of my books that I have labeled US Dimes, and it is on book 2 and on page 3. And then we click OK, and OK again on the main screen, and there's our information. Now, if you want to enter information about what you paid for it and where you bought it from, you just click on the Purchases tab. I've already entered a little bit of information on this, but I'll show you how it would work. So you double click on it, and then actually I'll just delete it and re-enter it for you. So I'm just going to delete that one. Alright, so as I was mentioning, after you've inventoried the grade, you can enter your purchase information. What you do is you double click in the grade area, or in that tab, and you click on the plus sign. You select the grade that you purchased. It was for a quantity of 1. I bought that coin for, I believe it was $32, and I bought it back in 1996. So I'm going to change that, and my records show that it was in January on the 9th. and I purchased that from Century Stamp and Coins in Mississauga, Ontario. So I'm just going to click OK. And there's our entry. Click the green check mark to save it, and we're now done. So we've now inventoried that coin. It's that simple. Simply select the grades that you want or that you have, enter any other information like purchase, whether it was sold, and so forth. Now we can run reports to see what we've entered so far. There are many reports available in EzCoin, and you can customize any report to your needs. The most commonly used one is what we call the QStats 1. It's available from this menu bar here by clicking on the Q for QStats, and then you click on Find. I'm asking it to search only for inventory coins, and I click on Find and Show. All our reports work in the same way. So I had already entered a couple of other coins here, and there they are. Here's our Mercury D dime right there. We can also run a detailed grades report. So we go to the reports, grade details. Make sure you select all grades unless you're only looking to report on specific grades, and then just click on Find and Show. And as you can see, all our reports work pretty much the same. So there's our Mercury dime. You can see things like who it was graded by, location, the quantities, what they're worth. Okay. And obviously you can print these, you can sort these, but I'll leave that to you to explore. We can also run a grand totals report to summarize all our inventoried coins from all countries we've entered coins into. And the way you do that, you can go to Reports and click on Grand Totals Report, and then click Show. So in this case, I've entered a couple of Canadian coins and a couple of US coins, and here they are summarized. So as you can see, making your first entries are fairly simple. There's a lot of other things that you can do with EzCoin, but again, we'll leave that to later videos. And we hope you join us again for more EzCoin videos.